A solid sphere and a solid cylinder of same mass and radius are rolling on a horizontal surface without slipping. The ratio of the radius of gyrations respectively, k sphere is to k cylinder, is 2 is to root x. The value of x is. In this question, we can take both sphere and cylinder separately and we can do. So first of all, what is the moment of inertia of sphere? So for sphere, it is 2 by 5 mr square. And we know this is the same as mk square. So we get k of sphere is equal to whole root of 2 by 5 into r. This is the case of sphere. So let's take in case of cylinder. Cylinder is equal to mr square by 2, which is the same as mk square. In terms of radius of gyration, we can cancel them and we write k cylinder is equal to r divided by root 2. Now in our question we are given k sphere by k cylinder. So we have k sphere by k cylinder is equal to whole root 2 by 5 r by root 2. Cancel r and r. We'll get. We can also cancel root 2. Here we can write root 2 and root 2. We can write this as root 2 by 5 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 by root 5. So our answer is 2 by root 5. In the question we are given, answer would be something 2 by root x. So here with this we can understand that x is equal to 5. Our answer is 5.